haven't really done a greenhouse video. These are my 3 plants. That one is the oldest, Moby Dick. Put her in the ground in early April. And these 2 were sometime late May that I put them in their pots. So, Moby Dick, Raspberry Parfait, and Necromancer's Kush. And the Moby Dick over here is getting to be about 5 feet tall. The soil feels so soft on the hands. Take that. I'm gonna go in here. Alright, let's move my little praying mantis jar there. And we're just gonna come through and do a nice layer all over like that, guys. So that's about it for today. Wrapping up here, I put down the Riverview Living Soil for a top dressing, and then I top dressed that with some of the neem, the granulated neem from Build a Soil. And then after I put that down, I put down some more diatomaceous earth. So I think I got my critter control on the lockdown here, not to mention the jar for the praying mantis that I brought over here. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna grow some giants this year. Heck yeah. Already 5 feet tall.